Hair loss is a common problem amongst all men and women. Many of the women of our society are facing the problems of hair fall and even going almost bald. The cause may be any, but sometimes it affects the confidence of women more in comparison to their male counterparts. The hair of a woman is an important asset to make her healthy and gorgeous. For many of the women's hair problems are not only biological setbacks but a part of self-esteem too. The root cause of hair loss in women is not genetic, but it is related to several other metabolic problems like pregnancy, stress, chemotherapy, crash diets, anorexia, thyroid hormone deficiency, major surgery, severe infection or high fever. Hair loss in female due to above-mentioned factors is normally temporary, so if you are facing hair loss and at the same time going through any of the above-mentioned trauma, don't be panicked, keep patience, take prescriptions and precautions, and after all, a diet rich in proteins, vitamins and minerals. Definitely your hair will grow again and as healthy as before. The pattern of hair loss in females is completely different from males. While males go bald, the baldness in females is rare. The normally occurring pattern of hair loss in females is found as thinning and lessening in shaft hair diameter around the forehead and crown of the scalp. The pattern is more to be found in females in the 40s. This pattern may also found in the females with the beginning of menopause. According to clinical trial and statistics, about 13% of females experience hair problems before menopause, while this number is alarmingly high, about 37% for postmenopause. As a female grew old, the intensity and level of a hormone called estrogen drop in her body. The estrogens block the steroid hormone pre-menopause, which results in a low level of DHT. Post-menopause, the level of DHT in females rises, and sometime it is so high that it causes hair problems. Amongst commonly occurring post-menopause hair problems are a decline in hair growth, thinning of hair and general effluvium. As a female enters into her 80s, the follicle shrinks completely and hair growth stops. The very reason of hair problems in women after post-menopause is the reduction of estrogen in the body. The different estrogen opposes androgens and makes themselves unavailable for the cells, by blocking androgen receptors. Opposing estrogens reduces heavily at the onset of menopause, but androgens remain available to the hair follicle and stem cell that is converted to DHT. Major causes of hair loss in females. The most common type of hair problems diagnosed in females is androgenetic alopecia inherited. However, this is the most common cause of hair problems in males as well. Androgenic alopecia in females is seen as hair thinning, which means the number of hair on the female head heavily reduces. Since the reason of hair loss varies individual to individual and hence proper medical help is of utmost importance. Some other common causes of hair problems of females are mentioned here. 1. Alopecia areata. This is a patchy loss of hair from the scalp. Sometime eyebrows and other hair-bearing parts begin losing hair. This type of hair loss is considered to be due to autoimmune. 2. Traction alopecia. This type of hair loss occurs because of continuous traction pressure on hair follicles. Sometime this may occur because of tight braiding or cornrowing of hair. 3. Trichotillomania. This type is supposed to because of stress or the result of some other psychological disorder. 4. Telogen effluvium. This is associated with poor nutrition, drugs, and stress. 5. Loose anagen syndrome. This disease is more common in fair-haired ladies. This is the situation in which a bunch of hairs drops down while combing, shampooing, etc. Normally the scalp hair comes out very easily, and this lessens the hair density on your head. 6. Triangular alopecia. In this situation, hair around temples lost. 7. Scarring alopecia. This type of hair loss in females is caused when one goes through some type of physical trauma, etc. Sometime traction alopecia introduced to scarring alopecia. Best hair loss products. So if you are a female and suffering from hair loss problems, go for professional medical help, take a diet rich in nutrition and prevent hair loss.